In this video, I will show you how to send a PDF as a link. To do this, firstly let's go to my desktop. I will be sending this PDF as a link. So the next thing for you to do is to open any browser on your PC, so I am using Chrome browser. Then log into your Gmail account. The next thing for you to do is to click on this icon, which is the Google Apps. After that, click on Google Drive. Now click on New. You can select the location where you have the PDF file. As you can see as PDF file. Select on it, then click on Open to continue. As you can see stating upload. Once done, right-click on it. Then click on Get Link. Here's the link on Google Drive. Before you copy this link, there are some few steps you have to do. Just scroll down to this restricted, click on it. Then change it to anyone with the link. If it's unrestricted, you will be the only one who can see this link. So you need to click on anyone with the link. Then click on Copy Link. Then click on Done. And then go to your Gmail or your WhatsApp or anywhere you want to send the link. Thanks watching this video.